class today is about introducing another parameter. So far we knew about दो actors को जान गए हैं, distance, displacement, and I told you distance को हम bye कर देंगे थोड़ी देर बाद, तो थोड़ा देर रखेंगे. So today we'll get introduced with one more character. The name of that character is speed. Okay, so let's learn about speed today. Speed. There'll be a lot of confusion between speed, velocity. So let's understand them absolutely in a right process. Speed is said to be the ratio of distance over time. Speed is the ratio of distance over time. That is, the rate of change of distance is known as speed. How the distance is changing. Understood? So distance, in other words, you can say distance traveled by time taken. So थोड़ा सा इसको और interesting कर देते हैं. आइए. So let's make it more interesting. Distance traveled over what? Time taken. Understood? This is speed. Mind you, what is distance as a quantity? Scalar or vector? Scalar. What is time as a quantity? Scalar or vector? Scalar. So अगर इसके दोनों पेरेंट्स स्केलर है तो बच्चा क्या होगा? स्केलर ही होगा. तो बच्चा जो है स्केलर है. मतलब स्पीड के पास क्या रहता है? ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड. Does speed have a direction? No. So speed does not have a direction. It only has magnitude. Is it clear? Understood so far? Now, whenever we define any physical quantity from grade 9 onwards, we always have to define whether it is scalar or vector. Apart from that, we also have to define what is called the unit. The unit. And in SI unit, what should be the unit now? Say distance traveled. Distance in SI unit, what is the unit for distance? Meters. And what is time taken? Karthika, switch on your camera. I will not say that every day, but that's a basic requirement when you join my class. Meters over second. So the unit, the SI unit is what? And try to join on time. The SI unit is meters per second. Okay. And meters per second. Second right now is at the denominator. Do you agree? The second is something like 1 upon second and has got an exponent as 1. X to the power minus m is 1 by x to the power m. So can I write this as second inverse? The same thing. X to the power minus m is equal to 1 by x to the power m. So in modern books, nobody will write like this. They will write it in this manner. ms minus 1. ये समझ में आया? ये स्टाइलिश वे है. मतलब जैसे आप लोग स्कूल बैग्स दोनों स्ट्रैप नहीं लेते हो ना, एक बैग लेके बड़ा स्टाइल मार के जाते हो. ये भी स्टाइल मार के लिखने का है और यही स्टाइल चलता है. अग्रीड? समझ में आ गया? ओके. नाउ स्पीड पे आगे जब हम बात करते हैं ना, we talk about two things. One, we say, now this topic will not be there in your book, but understand it. Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. Okay? If you overspeed on a road, the police fines you, right? Now the question arises, how does the police fine you? So obviously there will be a speed camera, and the speed camera will record your frame, and the ticket will come to you in such a manner that today's date DDMMYY, and the time is HHMMSS, so many hours, minutes, second, and the speed they will say, suppose the speed was 80, you are clocked how much? 81. So you should be fined, or say you are at 90, you should be fined. Now the time was 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 10 minutes, 23 seconds. But at the 24th second, somehow you had removed your feet from the accelerator pedal. That means the speed came down. क्या इसके लिए आपका फाइन रिवर्स होगा? फाइन उस मोमेंट के ऊपर हुआ है, उस वक्त के ऊपर, on that instant. That's the word you need to be very careful about. Instant. On that particular instant. Therefore, what do we say? We say, what is instantaneous speed? Speed at a particular instant of time. That means on DD MM y at HHMMSS, this moment, what was your speed? समझ में आ रहा है? On a particular date at a particular time, what was your speed? That is known as instantaneous speed. Are you understanding or not? Okay, let's have a quick look. Now, since you are studying physics, you should also spend some time on your car's instrument panel. हर गाड़ी में ऐसे दो दो गोल आपको दिखते हैं. Does anyone know what are the two rounds tell you about? देखता हूँ कितना साइंस में इंटरेस्ट है. Speedometer, odometer, and what all? We got any car you'll have to, whether it's digital or anything. The fuel to the अलग gauge है. One is known as the tachometer. The tachometer will always show you. Go and see these things in your car. It will show you at what RPM the engine is running. गाड़ी जैसे ही आप ऑन करते हो ना, the engine shaft starts moving. So it will be having something like 1000, 2000. You will find something at 2200 RPM. The कांटा यहाँ पे है. Means the engine is now at 2200 RPM. The next one is a combination of two things. It is a speedometer. All right. It is also a odometer. What is the odometer? An odometer tells you what is the distance traveled. So in modern day cars, you will have something called written here, trip A, trip B. Trip A. Trip A means, suppose you are starting from your house and you want to travel till Bombay, you can set this at 00. Understood? And odometer is something which is recording the distance the car has traveled since the car was purchased, manufactured. इसके साथ आप छेड़छाड़ नहीं कर सकते हो. That is the historical data. Say for example, my car has now run 16,123 kilometers. So anytime I switch on my car, it will show 16,123 and it starts counting from there. But today I'm going to Bombay. Trip meter I can set to 0 and it starts counting from 1, 2, 3, 4. और जब Bombay पहुंच गया, I just see the reading. In earlier days, people used to note odometer at start, odometer at end, then deduct, then you get the trip रीडिंग. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? ये आपको और इजी कर दिया. अच्छा, आजकल गाड़ियों में एक ट्रिप ए भी होता है, एक ट्रिप बी भी होता है. व्हाट इज ट्रिप ए, ट्रिप बी? आई एम ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम हियर टू बॉम्बे, बट आई वांट टू चेक हाउ मच वाज पुणे टू बॉम्बे. पुणे इज मिडवे. सो ट्रिप बी को मैंने पुणे पे 00 कर दिया, तो इट विल गिव मी व्हाट वाज पुणे. और से आई वांट टू चेक in this ORR what is the length of the ORR, so you can check it that way. So the odometer is okay. Now these speedometers for the cars that are in India, they will be reading in kilometer per hour. Don't write HR. Kilometer per hour. Have you understood? Cars which are in India will read as kilometers per hour. If you go to US, the same thing will read in MPH, miles per hour. उसके ऊपर भी अच्छी स्टोरी है, सुनाऊंगा आपको. Miles per hour और ये हो गया kilometer per hour. Right. अब यहाँ पे अलग अलग रीडिंग है. Let's say we have a reading here as 80 and we have a reading here at 100. Now, what does the speedometer tell us? Now, suppose the kanta is out here, right? The speedometer actually tells you the instantaneous speed. The moment you look at the speedometer, look at your watch. 8:20 में मेरी speed 80 है. And this keeps on changing. Obviously, if a cow or a buffalo comes, we will be braking, it will fall down. Again, if we get better roads, we will be increasing our speed. So it doesn't have any importance in physics unless and until you quote the time. So that's why we call it as instantaneous speed. उस वक्त मेरा speed कितना था? Like whenever you are looking at the speedometer, उस वक्त कोई तो time है. Though we don't look at our watch. But the time, at that particular time, what is my speed? That is known as instantaneous speed. Understood? There is another thing on which you will have a lot of calculations coming up, and that's known as average speed. Average speed. Average speed is said to be the total distance traveled. Total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. यहां बहुत समझना है आपको. Total distance traveled by total time taken. इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म में याद करना है तो TDT divided by TTT. Total distance traveled divided by total time taken. सुनिए मेरी बात. We started at morning 6 o'clock for Mumbai. Understood? We started at morning 6 o'clock for Mumbai and 7 add करो तो कितना हो गया 13. At 1300 we reached Mumbai. Please understand. At 1300 we reached Mumbai, and the distance between say Hyderabad to Mumbai is say 700 kilometers. Do you understand? How much time did you take to complete this journey? 7 hours. So what is your average speed? My average speed is 700 divided by 7, which is equal to 100 kilometers per hour. My question to you is, did I drive too rash or did I drive so okay? What is your feel? I need reasons also. All of you have experienced a 100-kilometer travel. Have you experienced a 100-kilometer ride or not? Obviously, ये ORR में हमारे पीछे everybody travels at 100. The speed limit is 120. So have you traveled at 100? Yes. Based on this, and children, you need to participate. You can't be dumb and quiet in physics classes. Otherwise, you're not understanding. And biggest thing is, I can't keep talking for 1 hour. Please be sympathetic with me in order for me to get interest. Do you think I drove rash or do you think I drove rash? Why do you think I drove rash? Not supposed to be that fast? Don't you go from here to in-orbit mall? Doesn't the speed go 100? Check your car. It will be a bit lower.
But you can't drive at this 100 kilometers.
Do you think did I stop for refueling or not? A car's fuel tank is only 35-40 liters. मैं यहाँ से मुंबई थोड़ी पहुँच जाऊँगा. I must have stopped for refueling. I must have taken bio break. Obviously, the kidneys have to be emptied. Have I not stopped for toll gates? Yes. Did I not stop for the McDonald's burger? Yes. Even after so much of stopping, I reached Mumbai in 7 hours. If I am my father in Mumbai waiting for me, I will thrash the guy that he has driven very, very rash. His average speed is 100 means many places he must have had food. At that time, the car was idle. 30 minutes I must have had some lunch. मैंने औसतन गाड़ी कई जगहों में maybe I have driven more than 150-60. Then only I am able to match 100. Just take it like this. 100 marks average overall assessment means every class test you should have scored 100. But there are class tests where you are scoring less. That means for few class tests you have to score really good. More than 100. I mean to say more than 100. तभी ना जाके आपका average 100 होगा. So average speed, what should be the average speed? You know, a nice speed, the average speed should come something around 70. 70 मतलब भी बहुत speed गया. Yesterday I went to see in Honda we get a complete report. Yesterday I went to Decathlon, day before yesterday, Decathlon in the airport Decathlon. So up to airport from Pebble City is completely a speedy drive. I must have driven at 80, 85, 100. My average speed has come 56. I have driven at 100, I say. 56 means I stopped, I paid toll, I then went in the Decathlon, I came out. Then also my average speed came only how much? 56. And here the average speed is coming 100. That means I must have driven very, very rash. Average speed tells you what is the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. It does not speak that during the trip, what was your behavior? Are you understanding the beauty of physics? Whereas, if I am the guardian of that person, I would say, does your car give an instrument log? Yes. Now, modern days car, you can take graph printout also. I want your instantaneous speed graph. और उसमें वो देखेगा बीच बीच में this guy must have gone on big spikes. उतने ही जूते गिरने चाहिए आपको. That means you have risked and driven. Have you understood? Total distance traveled by total time taken. We do not get problems on instantaneous speed in grade 9. We get problems on average speed. Have you understood? Anyone who has a doubt out here, speed is a scalar quantity said to be the ratio of distance over time, not displacement, okay? Distance over time. And the SI unit of speed is what? Meters per second. Meters per second. Speed is a scalar quantity. Average speed is said to be the total distance traveled divided by the total time taken. तो हमें क्या चाहिए, कितना डिस्टेंस हमने कवर किया और कितना टाइम हम ट्रेवल। ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है? ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो टू सम मोर इंटरेस्टिंग फैसेट्स. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्पीड and we get problems, okay, I'm now saying from problem perspective. Now slowly आपके problems आने शुरू हो जाएंगे. So speed is said to be the ratio of what, beta? Distance. Are we recording? Yes. Distance traveled by time taken. That means if there is a question about speed, there will be some data related to distance, there will be some data related to time, and nobody is your friend. Our job is to confuse you as much as we can so that you make mistakes. तो किस पे आपके साथ छेड़छाड़ी करेगा? यूनिट्स पे आपके साथ छेड़छाड़ी करेगा. So ideally I am supposed to report the speed. If nothing is specified, we always report the answer in meter per second. And if the problem is about average speed and you find, obviously your car speedometer does not record anything in meter per second, it records what? Kilometer per hour. And if you find that the problem is speaking too much in kilometers hour, and nothing is specified, you also have the liberty to leave the answer in kilometer per hour. देखो ये इन्हीं के बड़े भाई हैं, मीटर का बड़ा भाई किलोमीटर, सेकंड का बड़ा भाई आवर. But there will be some questions in which the distance will be specified in kilometers and the time will be in second. कचरा करेगा आपके साथ. There you are supposed to best ways to go in meter per second. Or somewhere they will tell you what is the average speed, and you will say, sir, like in the problem that I did just now, what was the average speed? 100 kilometers per hour. They will tell you also report the average speed in meter per second. हमको ये देगा, हमको उसमें भी देना है. तो आइए कन्वर्शन सीखते हैं. हाँ, हाइपरडिन कहां से आया वो भी देखते हैं. ओके, 1 kilometer over an hour means 1 hour. Yes or no? What is 1 kilometer? 1000 meters over 3600 seconds. Do you know how 3600 came? Everyone is fine how 3600 came? 1 hour has got how many minutes? 60 minutes. Each minute has got how many seconds? 60 seconds. If you don't know these answers, I will snatch your watch away from your hand. फिर पहनने का कोई हक ही नहीं है आपको घड़ी. Very doubtful? हाँ, otherwise I'll keep that watch. It's like Bondville. You just can't buy it. You need to earn it. If you're wearing a watch, you should know this calculation. 1 hour has got how many minutes? 60 तो हाथ छुपा दिया है already. घड़ी नहीं दूंगी. 1 hour has got 60 minutes and 60 minutes has got 60 seconds. Understood? So 60 into 60 gives me 3600. तो यहाँ से हम शुरू करते हैं हमारा simplification. 0 ने 0 को काटा, 0 ने 0 को काटा. 2 5 times is 10 and 2 18 is 36. So keep this handy, children, till grade 12. This is very, very handy. 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. ये आप गले में डाल लो. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So in the previous problem, when I traveled to Bombay, what was my average speed? 100 kilometer per hour. इसको अगर मीटर पर सेकंड में लिखें तो कैसे लिखेंगे? 100 into 5 by 18 meter per second. बाकी आप खुद कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. 500 over 18, whatever it is. Did you get it? And if you want to do the reverse, that is, you are given in meter per second and you need to go by 18 by 5. भाई साहब डाल लीजिए ये गले में. समझें? Anyone, any doubting? Harshit, feeling sleepy, dear? No, sir. Sitting relaxed as if on a side Emirates, side executive chair. आराम से बैठे हो. हाँ? अनन्या जगे हो तो अकेले बैठे हो, आज पीछे गिर मत जाना सोते सोते. ठीक है, हो गया? Are we done? So now time for doing some numericals. Okay, how we do the numericals? I bring the since you are now going in higher grades, so we don't have the time to write the whole question. I'll be bringing the numericals from my home, which will come out up here. Don't spend your time now to copy the question, because anyway the class note is going to get, it's a PDF to you and you'll get the video also. Your job should be to understand how the problem is being done and to understand how the problem is worked out. At grade 9, don't be crazy like that beggar. Ma'am, my answer is also 30. I also want marks. Bhikari nahi ho. Do the problem in such a manner that ma'am feels happy to give you the marks. ठीक है? Ready? मैं आपको कुछ पैटर्न के प्रॉब्लम्स दिखाऊंगा. इसके ऊपर आप बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स कर सकते हैं. अपने को बुक से भी देख सकते हैं. चलिए go ahead. चलिए आइए एक एक प्रॉब्लम्स. The first problem, can online people, can you read this, beta? All of you, can you read this? Legible? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, right. So it says, copy मत कीजिए क्वेश्चन को. फिर से बैठ गए कॉपी करने. मजा लो ना यार. यहाँ लिख दो. हिटलर was actually in Germany. वही लिखते रहो फिर. मजा लो. And physics is all about every problem in physics. Unless you know how to draw a diagram, you will land up in deep soup. Because today we are doing this, the moment we come in mechanics, we need diagram. Diagram does not mean that you have to enact the scenario. A diagram speaks 1,000 words. So it says, suppose a truck travels 60 kilometers in first hour. So first thing we will do always is some sort of diagram. So this question is all about a time axis. So let's say this is 0 and this is the first hour. In first hour, how much has the truck traveled? It has traveled 60 kilometers in the first hour and 80 kilometers in the second hour. मतलब 80 kilometers in the second hour. मतलब ये वाला जो interval है. First hour, second hour. Overall how many hours? 2 hours. यहाँ पे कितना गया? 80 kilometers गया. ठीक है? Find the average speed of the truck. So what is average speed? Total distance traveled by total time taken. So hang on. So how do we do this problem? एक तो हम ये diagram बिल्कुल draw करेंगे because in this way the checker or whoever is examining our paper gets to know that the boy or the girl has understood the problem. So first, always remember the first step is always the given data. Given. Okay. Distances covered, right? What are the distances covered? First hour, right? We write it as T1. This is our first time, T1. So that later when we use T1, we need not explain what is T1. How much? 60 kilometer. And we write this as S1. Distance is always SSS, as I told you. Then second hour, T2, and we don't write, don't put an equal to, they are never equal to. In the first hour you have done this. How much? 80 kilometer, that is S2. Done. That's all. Any other data given to us? No. Now you write, this is given gone. To find. What do you have to find? Average speed. So in average speed, we will denote the average speed as V and we'll put a bar on top of it. Bar. Bar means any average in mathematics is shown as bar, like mean, X bar. So V bar. V means speed, V bar means average speed. Average speed V bar is unknown. So given हो गया, to find हो गया. इस प्रॉब्लम में किसी तरह की assumptions की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So third is we write our formula. We write V bar, the average speed, should be equal to S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. You need not explain now what is S1, what is S2 because you have explained everything. And if you have time and you want to be super smart, you can write average speed is equal to, don't write TTD, total distance traveled by total time taken. Clear बच्चा? Okay. चलिए अब प्रॉब्लम को आगे करते हैं. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, else I don't have space to do it. Understood? So our next step is given data to find, and this data is known as formula. CBSE में मार्किंग इसी तरह होता है 25%, 25%, 25%. यहां तक अगर आपने लिख दिया ना तो आपको एटलीस्ट 3/4 मार्क्स मिलने शुरू हो गए. फॉर्मूला एंड इट्स सब्स्टिट्यूशन. अगला स्टेप होगा सब्स्टिट्यूशन. दैट इज वी आर गोना फिल अप द वैल्यूज फॉर व्हिच वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग. सो फिल द वैल्यूज नाउ. हाउ डू वी राइट? V bar is equal to 60 plus 80 divided by 1 plus 1. Obviously, we have a kilometer here and we have an hour here. Have you understood? Step by step. Let's calculate it further. 60 plus 80 makes it how much? 140 over 2, which is equal to 70 kilometer per hour. Now we need to release the answer. So please release the answer. The last step is the release. Let's do our release. क्या पूछा था आपको? The average speed of the truck is 70 kilometer per hour. That's it. This way, all your marks are ensured, and if you don't do it this way, at least a mad person like me who is so sadist, he will take away your marks. Now see the beauty. What is the average speed of the truck? 70. हिंदी में बोले तो क्या बोलेंगे? औसतन इस गाड़ी ने 70 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार रखी. लेकिन डेटा देखो तो कभी मैं 60 में भी था, कभी मैं 80 में भी गया. So average में कितने में था? The average is around this. So it's like so much of IPL is going on. Your scoring rate is going like this. So how did you score overall when the innings is over? You scored at 8.2 and over. This is the average. At an average. But some overs you scored less. कुछ ओवर में धान धोन भी मारे हो तुम. समझ में आया? चले भैया कॉपी कीजिए आराम से. And write the problem properly till I just quench my throat a little bit. Don't write with red pen. The human eye has the least ability to pick up red. Red is only for something that is important. You are opposite. You are writing important with black and writing everything with red. Write with black and just copy the main things with red. Anyone who has not understood, please don't keep your mouth mum. This is your chance to ask all those questions which you feel are idiotic or nonsense. If you're not asking, you are actually doing the idiotic job. Shall we go to the next one? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इजी आप लोग करने की कोशिश कीजिए. सपोज अ बस ट्रेवल्स 240 किलोमीटर एट अ स्पीड ऑफ सो एंड सो. पहले डायग्राम हमेशा. बस कितना ट्रैवल किया? से A to B. How much did it travel? 240 kilometers. And during, so this is your first stretch of the road, and it traveled at a speed of how much? 80 kilometer per hour. And it covers the next 360. The next 360. Next is 360 kilometers. And it covers it at a speed of how much? 90 kilometer per hour. What is its average speed? Very interesting problem. Average speed is always total distance by, look, after you draw this, your mind should start thinking. Average speed is total distance traveled by total time taken. इस क्वेश्चन में टोटल डिस्टेंस तो दे दिया है लेकिन टोटल टाइम छुपा दिया है. लेकिन उसको अभी इस क्वेश्चन को let's do our, this is S1, do you agree? This is S2, do you agree? Definitely there should be some time T1 needed for this journey and some time T2 needed for this journey. Our job is that they have hit this T1 and T2, but Since we are intelligent people, are we intelligent or not? Yes. So we know that in this portion, there has to be a speed v1. Speed is distance over time t1. इधर देखो ना, क्यों कॉपी करते हो? पहले समझो ना प्रॉब्लम. कॉपी करके करने के लिए तो पूरा एक्सरसाइज है, घर पे करते रहिए. There should be a speed. Are we given this speed? Yes. This is the v1 we are given. So can we find out what is t1? S1 by v1. Did you agree? Do you agree? And here also we need t2. So obviously t2 should also be S2 by v2. How many of you understood? How many did not understand? We need time. क्योंकि एवरेज स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या है? V bar will be equal to S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. There can be T3, T4, but in this problem it's only 2 stages. हमारे पास S1, S2 का डेटा है, हमारे पास T1, T2 का डेटा नहीं है. लेकिन T1, T2 का डेटा थोड़ा घुमा के दिया है. उन्होंने स्पीड बता दिया है. मतलब उन्होंने क्या बताया हमें? What is V1 and V2? और V1 is what? Distance for the first stretch by time for the first stretch. So what should be the time for the first stretch? Distance by speed. What happened, Ved? This year you are not being energetic. You love physics, but sleeping, dull, something feverish. Are you feverish? Then what happened? You become so silent. You used to be so energetic in physics classes. So T2 is equal to S2 by V2. So problem तो हम समझ गए हैं. We should be able to do it. Shall we now? Let's attempt our problem in the proper manner now. This is the rough sketch. जब तक ये नहीं होगा आप problem नहीं कर सकते. So let's go by our given data. Given, right? We can write it like this. Distance S1 is equal to how much? 240 kilometer. Distance S2 is equal to how much? 360 किलोमीटर. ओके, और क्या दिया हुआ है आपको? स्पीड v1 कितना दिया है बेटा? 80 किलोमीटर. स्पीड. अच्छा, यू मे ऑल्सो आस्क मी ए क्वेश्चन, सर आप मीटर पर सेकंड में क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? पूछा नहीं है ना. पूछेगा तो उतना मेहनत, हम तो ऐसे ही लेजी है. v2 का स्पीड कितना है? हाँ, 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर. क्या फाइंड करना है? टू फाइंड एवरेज स्पीड. V bar is equal to how much? ठीक है. Solution. V bar is equal to S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. Now see the beauty. हमने यहाँ T1 plus T2 लिख दिया है. Have we defined T1 plus T2? Nowhere we have defined. What is T? We don't know. T मतलब क्या? Tangent है क्या? नहीं, अभी डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा. T1 is equal to time taken for first stretch. Have you understood?
Yes.
T2 is equal to time taken for second stretch. ये डिफाइन कर दीजिए. इतना लिख लीजिए, फिर मैं इसको छोटा करूंगा because I need space. आराम से लिखिए. डोंट कॉपी. फिजिक्स कॉपी करके नहीं होता है, फिजिक्स समझ के होता है. And if you think there is a slightest doubt also, so far I'm not getting so much of questions and doubts which should be there. Compared to last year's batch, there used to be lot of query and they used to bring in lot of discussion. This year discussion is very limited. Online तो एकदम silent है. They used to have lot of debate. ऐसा क्यों सर, ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ, ऐसा क्यों हुआ, ऐसा कैसे, चुप कराना पड़ता था. But that's how you learn. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. Okay. So now we go ahead and we calculate T1. T1 should be equal to what? T1 should be equal to S1 by V1. बोलो तो S1 by V1 करे तो कितना आएगा? S1 कितना है? 240. एंड V1 कितना है 80. नाउ जस्ट लुक, किलोमीटर पर आवर, किलोमीटर इज डिस्टेंस, किलोमीटर इज डिवाइडेड बाय किलोमीटर पर आवर, मतलब इनटू आर बाय किलोमीटर हो गया है ना. किलोमीटर इज डिवाइडेड बाय किलोमीटर, किलोमीटर कट गया, आर आ रहा है जो कि करेक्ट है. आप टाइम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो. सो 0 कैंसिल 0, 8 3 24, सो दिस इज 3 hours. T2 कितना है मैडम? S2 बाई V2, S2 कितना है बच्चा 360, और V2 कितना है 90 किलोमीटर्स इंटू आर बाई किलोमीटर. किलोमीटर कट्टू आर रह गया, कट गया 4 hour. ठीक है, आप V बार निकाल सकते हैं, सब डेटा मिल गया. V बार इज इक्वल टू S1 प्लस S2 डिवाइडेड बाई T1 प्लस T2. कर दीजिए S1 प्लस S2, 240 पे कितना जुड़ेगा 360 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 प्लस 4 कम पर आर. 200 300 is 500, 60 40 is 100, so that is 600 divided by 7. I may be wrong, and rest calculation you will do, and you will write the average speed is so and so. अच्छा, कितना तक करते हैं 2 place decimal? 2 place decimal करने के लिए we'll check till 3 place. चल भी फटाफट करते हैं. 600 है ना, टेक बिल. ठीक है, तो चलिए 7 8 जा 56, 440, 7 5 जा 35, then 550, 7 7 जा 49, 110, 7 1 जा 7, 330, 7 4 28. So 85.71 kilometer per hour. And you write the narration. The average speed is 85. क्लास 9 में रह के वो सब क्या कर रहे हो मुनीम जी हिसाब? आई डोंट वांट दैट. ये मैथमेटिक्स आपको पिकअप करना है. यू विल कैलकुलेट बाय योर माइंड. नो, दैट इज नॉट अलाउड. क्लास 6 में बिठा दूंगा लेके. फिर माइंड कैलकुलेशन को फास्ट करना सीखिए. व्हाट इज सो डिफिकल्ट? पिक्चराइजिंग. आई एम स्पीकिंग, स्टिल आई एम पिक्चराइजिंग. 8 7 8 जा 56, 4 0 40, 7 5 35, 5 0 50, 7 7 49, 110, 7 1 is 7, 330, 7 4 28. 4 means this one does not change. That's it. और मस्ती करो ग्रेड 6 7 8 में. अभी समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोलता था? The more you sweat in 8, the less you bleed in 9. बट आपने तो उल्टा किया आप लोगों ने. The more you enjoy in 8, the more you bleed in 9. सर मुझे तो टेबल ही नहीं आता है 7 का. मैं तो पहले मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखता हूं और फिर करता हूं. अब तुम्हारा लक अच्छा है कि ये 7 से आया है. आईसीएससी में होता है ना, आईसीएससी नॉट कैम्ब्रिज, आईसीएससी यही होता है 576.8 डिवाइडेड बाय 17. एंड योर कंपटीशन इज विद दोस गाइज 1 year from now. So if you think you want to play the Champions Trophy, don't spend time playing Ranji Trophy matches. Go and play big games. चलें आगे. भाविया मैडम, नहीं आंसर लिखिए. एवरेज स्पीड वो कौन लिखेगा? ये वी बार कौन है? वी बार मीन्स व्हाट? विम बार. तो दैट आई एम वेटिंग फॉर यू. नीचे द एवरेज स्पीड इज. Noting down the lecture quickly is also an art. When you go to colleges, professors will write on 3 boards parallelly. कभी YouTube में जाके एक चीज खोजिए, MIT OCW classes. MIT, I hope you know, Massachusetts Institute of Technology in US. OCW, Open Classware Resources. So you'll see very nice professors and all. Their boards are all pull boards. There will be 6 boards parallelly. YouTube में फ्री है. कितने अच्छे चीज पढ़ाते हैं वो लोग. हाँ, बोर्ड्स ऐसे 6 बोर्ड. जैसे ये पढ़ाते स्टेप हो गया ना, तो वो क्या करेगा, इस बोर्ड को पुश करता है, एक और बोर्ड निकल के आता है, एक और बोर्ड. एवरीथिंग इज मैनुअल विद चॉक. दे विल टीच यू एंड इट्स अ गैलरी क्लास. या एनीथिंग यू कैन आस्क एज लॉन्ग एज योर क्वेश्चंस इज आंसर्ड.
That when the ball is
Simply the ball is in non-uniform motion For that to answer, keep your question till we introduce another actor. This play has got many actors. There will be someone called acceleration who will come. Wait till then. There is acceleration. Whenever acceleration comes in, uniformity is killed. Acceleration means accelerate. Uniform means this is uniform. Accelerated means or this is acceleration. यूनिफॉर्मिटी को किल करने के लिए एक्सीलरेशन चाहिए. बॉल जब नीचे गिर रहा है वो एक्सीलरेटेड मोशन है. वो हम सीखेंगे तभी. अभी आपको आंसर करने से भी आपको प्लेजर नहीं आएगा. थोड़ा होल्ड कीजिए. हाँ, ग्रेविटी है, ग्रेविटी फोर्स है, बढ़ रहेगा ना. अर्थ इज पुलिंग, वही तो उसको समझने के लिए रुकना पड़ेगा. अब ये यूट्यूब थोड़ी है कि हम ऐसा स्किन करके आगे ले जाएंगे. चलिए अगले क्वेश्चन में. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डू इट योरसेल्फ. टोटल जर्नी इज ऑफ 600 किलोमीटर. पहले डायग्राम, हमेशा पहले डायग्राम. टोटल जर्नी कितना है बेटा? ए से लेके बी तक पूरी जर्नी 600 किलोमीटर की है. आगे पढ़ते हैं. Break the question into your mother tongue or whatever, break it down. A bus travels first 120. अच्छा, first 120 यानी कि यहां पे कुछ एक आ गया. Let's say this is C और ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? 120 किलोमीटर. It travels first 120 at a speed of how much? 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर. What should be? अब ये क्वेश्चन कैसा है? हाफ ईयरली में बच्चे ने इतना स्कोर किया, नेक्स्ट टर्म में कितना स्कोर करना चाहिए ताकि उसका एवरेज स्कोर इतना रहे. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ये क्वेश्चन वैसा ही है. व्हाट शुड बी द स्पीड फॉर नेक्स्ट 480? इज इट 480? ऑब्वियसली इट इज 480, बिकॉज इफ यू ऐड 480 विद 120, हाउ मच डज इट मेक अप? 600. यहां कितना स्पीड रखना चाहिए that the average speed should be equal to how much beta? 60 kilometer per hour. लेकिन उसने मेहनत कर लिया है. उसे एवरेज स्कोर कितना चाहिए? 60% मार्क्स चाहिए. फर्स्ट टर्म में 90% स्कोर किया है और आराम से जा सकता है, इसका मतलब. सो हाउ डू वी डू इट? वंस अगेन, फर्स्ट लेट अस डू आवर माइंड वर्कआउट. व्हाट इज v bar equal to? S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. Children, look here. S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. Now, in this problem, the problem is again into two stretches. This is S1 and this is S2. Do I have T1, T2? I don't have T1, T2. So this is T1 and this is T2. I don't have T1, T2. However, I have the average speed. But I have what? I have V1 given to me and I need to find out what is V2. You can't introduce इतना T1, T2 इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. तो काफी अननोन्स हो गए ना इस प्रॉब्लम में. T1 is unknown, T2 is unknown, V2 is unknown. We can keep only one unknown. T1 we know the data. How do you know T1? T1 will be equal to S1 upon V1. Clear? तो T1 तो फिगर में आ जाएगा. So what all we know now? We know S1, we know S2, we know T1, we know this. Then what will we find out? We will find out T2. T2 आते ही हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? V2. V2 कैसे मिलेगा? V2 is equal to distance traveled by time taken. This we know. This we will calculate from here. Once we calculate T2, we will be able to get the value of V2. Guessing in head. अत्रेया, क्या चीज समझ में नहीं आया? बोलो बेटा. तो टेंशन मत ले, मैं गुस्सा होने से भी ठंडा हो जाऊंगा. क्या चीज समझ में नहीं आया? समझो प्रॉब्लम कैसा है. इसलिए बोलता हूं, पहले प्रॉब्लम को सुनिए. एक जर्नी 600 किलोमीटर की है, उसको हमने दो भागों में बांटा. पहले 120 किलोमीटर, फिर 480. समझ में आ रहा है? 120 किलोमीटर हमने 90 के स्पीड से कवर कर लिया. हमें कह रहा है, दिस इज लाइक दैट रैली क्वेश्चन, ओवरऑल हमें कितना रहना है? 60. हाउ मच शुड बी योर स्पीड ऑन द सेकेंड सेक्टर सो दैट ओवरऑल यू स्कोर हाउ मच? 60. So overall 60 का फॉर्मूला क्या है? S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. But what have they asked you? They have not asked you T1, T2. They have asked you V2. Is there a relation between V2 and T2? Yes. V2 is velocity, speed. Speed is distance over time. Do I have the distance? Yes, 480. Do I have the time? No, sir, I don't have the time. But then look at this equation. Do I know V bar? Yes, 60. Do I know S1? Yes, 120. S2? Yes, 480. T1? Yes, I know T1. I can find out T1 from these two data. Do I know T2? No. So I'll get T2. Linear equation in one variable. अभी समझ में आ रहा है? These are all linear equations in one variable. अरे जितना भी हो ये ना मतलब कहते जिसको पहले समझ तो लेने दो. T2 निकल गया, फिर उस T2 को यहाँ पे प्लग करेंगे तो हमें V2 मिल जाएगा. आइए करें इस प्रॉब्लम को. आ जाओ. In case we are not able to finish all the questions in the class, when I send this as a PDF, there will be other questions also in the slides to follow. Be an honest child and do those. So let's say given distance S1 is equal to how much? 120 kilometers. Then distance S2 is equal to 480 kilometers. Speed V1 is equal to how much? 90 kilometers per hour. Speed V2 तो ये तो फाइंड ही करना है ना. और क्या दिया है? एवरेज स्पीड. अरे रुक जा बाबा. V बार इज इक्वल कहां 40 क्या पढ़ रही है? टोटल जर्नी 600. It covers 120 at a speed of 40. अच्छा 40 है. पहले क्यों नहीं बोलती हो? हमेशा डिस्टर्ब करते रहती है. 40. थैंक यू. ठीक है. Average speed is this. To find, what do you have to find? Speed V2, which is unknown. ठीक है. So we write here one formula. V bar should be equal to S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. Children, I need to specify what is T1 and T2 out here. T1 is time for first stretch. And similarly, T2 is time for second stretch. Agreed? चलिए यहां से T2 निकालने की कोशिश करते हैं. Do you know now what you will do? Shall I tell you how to do math smartly? What you will do now? You will be substituting the values. और यही कचरा होना शुरू हो जाएगा. आओ इसको करने का ट्रिक सीखते हैं. इसको अलजेब्रा वे में सॉल्व करते हैं. पहले V बार T1 प्लस V बार T2 is equal to S1 plus S2 linear equation. Do you agree? हमें क्या चाहिए? T2 चाहिए. So V bar T2 is equal to S1 plus S2 minus V bar T1. Agreed? हमें चाहिए T2. So T2 is equal to S1 plus S2 minus V bar T1 divided by V bar. आपने अपना फॉर्मूला बना लिया. जब आप आगे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स में जाओगे ऐसे आपको क्विकली अपना फॉर्मूला बना लीजिए. अब आपको और सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं. जस्ट वैल्यूज डालो. इजी हो गया ना. आइए. Did you understand this workout? Another way can be that you start punching the data out here, then क्लासमेट सब गलती होगा. आ जाओ T2 निकालते हैं. S1 कितना है बच्चा? 120. S2 कितना है? 480 माइनस V बार. व्हाट इज V बार? 60. और T1 कितना है? T1 कैसे निकालेंगे? यहां पे T1 भी निकाल के रखिए. T1 is equal to distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So what is it? 120 by 40. 0 ने 0 को काटा 3. तो यहां पे आया 3 डिवाइडेड बाय V बार मतलब 60. चलो आर्यश निकाल तो इसको. T2 कितना आता है? ये कितना आ जाएगा? 180 आएगा. 480 minus 180. 480 minus 180. उसको कोई मतलब नहीं है. अब इसको भी कर सकते, उसको भी. ये आंसर आएगा 300. 300 plus 120 420. 420 divided by 60. 0 0 कट. 6 7 42. T2 का आंसर आना चाहिए 7. यस अनन्या यू आर करेक्ट. T2 7 आना चाहिए. क्लास 9 है, हमें फास्ट जाना है. सीखिए, देयर विल बी प्रेशर इनिशियली बट इफ यू अब्सॉर्ब इट. हाउ डिड आई कैलकुलेट? 60 multiplied by 3 gives me how much? 180. 180 if I take out from 400 I am remaining with 300. 300 added to 120 is how much? 420. 420 by 60. Look at me. 420 by 60. 0 0 gone. 42 by 6. 6 7s are 42. Yo man, that's all I gotta do is was faster, you know. And then what have been asked to find out? V2. So V2 should be equal to S2 by T2. What is S2? 480 divided by T2 7. भाई कर लेना, ये कितना हो गया? हाँ चलो 7 6 42. फिर कितना आया? 60. 7 8 56. 4 40. 7 5 35. फिर 7 7 49. 68.57 किलोमीटर पर आवर. आपके दिमाग में घुसा हुआ है कि कैलकुलेशन टफ है, कैलकुलेशन टफ है. आप मैथ्स को इजी करना सीखिए. व्हाई डिड वी स्पेंड टाइम ऑन लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन ग्रेड 8? नाउ डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? दिस वाज अ लीनियर इक्वेशन. We solved it and made the formula for T2 because that's what we are interested in. Nobody will take away your marks if you start punching data here, but you will take more time to solve. You can do that. कोई मार्क्स नहीं कटेगा. लेकिन जब मिक्सी है वहां आप हाथ से बैटर पीस रहे हो. पीसो 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 खूब पीसो. Now as you are growing, acha, one good thing in CBSE is what you know. CBSE gives you problems which get easily. CBSE में अगर आंसर आ रहा है ना, मतलब initially ये सब गड़बड़ उड़बड़ हो रहा है, then you think you are wrong. CBSE, are you seeing the times? They are coming so nicely, 3 hour, 4 hour. You'll never get something like 3 points. Final answer point में आ सकता है. बट इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज में अगर पॉइंट आ रहा है ना, राजी मूवी की तरह है. अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम्हारे ऊपर किसी को शक हो गया है तो शक हो गया है. हैव यू सीन द मूवी राजी? यस, दैट्स अ वेरी नाइस मूवी. यू शुड वॉच इट. दैट्स अ रियल स्टोरी. सो देयर द गर्ल इज टोल्ड. अगर तुम्हें डाउट होता है कि किसी को तुम पे शक हो गया है तो ये मान के चलना कि उनका शक हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. स्पाइस के ऊपर मूवी है. यहाँ करते रहते हो, टोटली डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो तुम लोग. अच्छी मूवीज भी नहीं देखते हो. गो एंड वॉच दीज मूवीज. इज द स्टोरी ऑफ एन इंडियन गर्ल who actually marries a Pakistani army officer just for the case to be the spy of India in Pakistan for the 71 war. And she's trained by the Indian intelligence before sending her. And while on her training, she's told, if you ever feel that you are being, somebody has a doubt on you, then please understand, they already have a doubt on you. कौन सा मिल गया? कौन सा मिल गया? मिल गया. ले अब आ गया. कौन? ये रात को भी स्पैम कॉल्स आते हैं. तुम्हारी तरह है, इनका भी कोई काम नहीं है. देखो, children spend time on quality time on internet to gain knowledge. Can be of any. If you love literature, it can be of literature. If you love history, it can be history. But you feel that you are not getting time because you are highly distracted हो तुम लोग. कितना टाइम है दिन में? कितना कुछ सीखने का टाइम है. सीखो ना, कितने कितने चीजें होते हैं. आप एक स्टिचिंग भी सीखना है तो स्टिचिंग भी सीख सकते हो. बस ऑल यू नीड इज पेशेंस एंड अर्ज टू लर्न समथिंग. एमलेस लॉटरिंग करते हो, अच्छे मूवीज नहीं देखते हो, अच्छे स्टोरीज नहीं पढ़ते हो, लेकिन कभी पूछो व्हाट स्टोरी बुक्स यू रीड? हैरी पॉटर. हैरी पॉटर मान में गया. हैरी पॉटर बाकी कुछ नहीं. चलो, ये तो एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन है. अब्दुल while driving to school, the average speed for his trip to be 20 km/h. On his return trip on the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km/h. What is the average speed for the whole trip of Abdul? चलो, बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है भाई साहब. आइए, ये हमारे अब्दुल साहब ऑनवर्ड और ये है अब्दुल साहब का रिटर्न. While he is going onward, What is the time here? What is his average speed? V bar 1 is equal to how much? 20 kilometer per hour. And on his return trip along the same route, अच्छा along the same route कुछ चीज चेंज नहीं हुआ. क्या चेंज नहीं हुआ? क्या चेंज नहीं हुआ सर? रूट चेंज नहीं हुआ, डिस्टेंस चेंज नहीं हुआ. इसमें v बार 2, इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है? 30 kilometers per hour. They have asked you to calculate what is the total average speed for the whole trip. अब ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे करें? ठीक है ना. एवरेज स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? ऐसे ही कॉमन सेंस. एवरेज स्पीड होता है टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय टोटल टाइम टेकन. इस क्वेश्चन में ये हो जाएगा डिस्टेंस ऑनवर्ड प्लस डिस्टेंस रिटर्न डिवाइडेड बाय टाइम ऑनवर्ड प्लस टाइम रिटर्न. यही होना चाहिए. हमें तो ऐसा कुछ भी डेटा दिया ही नहीं, हमें एवरेज डिस्टेंस दिया है. कैसे करेंगे प्रॉब्लम? टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना है? x प्लस x. अगर जाने का डिस्टेंस x है तो आने का डिस्टेंस भी x है. सही बात है. अच्छा, टोटल टाइम कितना है? TO प्लस TR. सर एक ही चीज तो आप लिख दिए, आंसर आएगा कैसे? आओ ढूंढते हैं इसको. कैसे ढूंढेंगे? हमारे पास v क्या है? v1 बार है. दैट इज द जर्नी फॉर गोइंग. v1 बार क्या होना चाहिए? x by to. Do you agree? So can we find out say to in terms of x or x in terms of this? तो x को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? x is equal to v1 times to. v1 की वैल्यू हमें पता है. Do you agree? Okay. अब हम रिटर्न कर रहे हैं. v2 bar should be equal to again x divided by how much? tr. So here x is equal to how much? v2 bar into tr. Do you agree? अच्छा, अब हम कैसे करेंगे? अब हमें टोटल डिस्टेंस चाहिए, टोटल टाइम भी चाहिए. तो यहां से you can find out what is the value of x. X is equal to v1 into to. Okay, we know the value of v1, we know the value of v0. These two are the same distance. We can equate them. Let's equate them. v1 bar to should be equal to v2 bar what? tr. They are the same distance, right? So we can equate both of them. For example problem, v1 की वैल्यू कितनी है? 20. 20 times to is equal to how much? 30 times tr. 0 and 0 cancel each other. So I can write to in terms of 3 by 2 tr. I have got the value of to in terms of tr. So that means this question can now become, do I have the value of x? Yes, I have the value of x. What is the value of x? v1 into to. v1 into to. And the other x can also be v1 into to only. तो इसको 2 times कर सकते हैं. Agreed? नीचे क्या है? to plus another tr and tr. Okay, then I should write it in this manner. 1 minute. Sorry. Then tr will be equal to how much? 2 by 3 to. Have you understood this? tr is equal to 2 by 3 to. यहां पे कितना लिखें? 2 by 3 to. This is equal to your v bar. Still there is a problem. Do we know v1? Yes. Do we know to? No. तो to को तो काट सकते हैं, आपने देखा ही नहीं ठीक से. v bar is equal to 2 v1 to divided by, take to common, 1 plus 2 by 3. Agreed? If I take to common, it becomes 1 plus 2 by 3. Now to and to can cancel. Now everything that is there we know. Yes. Do we know the value of v1? 20. And what is 1 plus 2 by 3? 5 by 3. अरे फास्ट होना पड़ेगा। 1 + 2/3, 3 1 = 3 + 2 5/3। तो इसको भी कैलकुलेट कर लो। 2 × 20 divided by 5/3 means into 3/5. 5 4 times is 20. 2 4 are 8, 8 3 are 24 km/h. The overall average speed. Welcome to grade 9. कैसा लग रहा है? जब मैं बोलता था कि 9 में 9 is a struggle. Remember, 10 is very easy. The outlook has to change. You won't get food served to you. You have to think, use your brains, and then deduce. At the first sight, we feel खाली एवरेज स्पीड दे दिया, बोल रहा है पूरा एवरेज स्पीड कैलकुलेट करो। एवरेज स्पीड का फॉर्मूला क्या है? टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय टोटल टाइम। हमें तो डिस्टेंस भी नहीं बताया, हमें टाइम भी नहीं बताया। सर, देयर इज सम एरर इन दिस क्वेश्चन। नो एरर, नो एरर, वी प्रूव्ड इट। हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? एवरेज स्पीड इज टोटल distance traveled by total time taken. What is the total distance? Distance onward, distance return. Time onward, time return. देखते रहते हैं। Distance onward is x, distance return is also x. TO plus TR. At this stage, Jaideep Das doesn't know what is x, what is TO, TR. He's still in problem. He has to reduce it to knowns. So what he does, he says, कि onward speed is equal to x by TO. Onward speed is equal to x by TO. Do you agree? Onward distance by onward time. That means x should be equal to v1 into TO. X should be equal to v1 bar into TO. Do you agree? Don't look at watch. V1 bar into TO. Similarly, we also get from the return wala that x should also be equal to V2 bar upon TR. Both are same. If you look at this equation and if you look at this equation, their left hand sides are same. So their right hand side should be same. So let's equate the right hand side. What is the right hand side? V1 TO equal to V2 TR. From here, what I did, I know the value of V1 and V2. I expressed what is TR in terms of, what is TR in terms of TO. तो क्या हो जाएगा? एक और को गायब कर सकते हैं। TR in terms of TO. Now I go back to my original equation. Do I know the value of x? Yes, V1 TO. I have got another x. So V1 TO plus V1 TO, 2 V1 TO. Agreed? नीचे क्या होना चाहिए? TO प्लस TR. ये दोनों अननोन है, तो दोनों को एक ही में कन्वर्ट किया। TO तो हमें पता ही था और TR को हमने TO के टर्म्स में लिख दिया। अब हमने TO को इंजेक्शन से पुचक करके निकाल लिया डिनोमिनेटर से। ऊपर भी TO, नीचे भी TO, TO TO GO। हमारे पास क्या बचा है? V1। क्या इसकी वैल्यू पता है? यस, 1 और ये सब। फिर तो प्रॉब्लम इजी हो गया। फिर क्या किया हमने? 2v1, 2 into 20, 5/3 divided by 5/3 means into 3/5. 5 4s are 20, 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 किलोमीटर। समझ में आ रहा है? This is grade 9. Hannah madam, how is the Josh? Low sir, low sir, medium sir। हाँ प्लीज, मुझे पूछने की जरूरत नहीं, तो मैंने बोल के रखा था। Have you understood? So this problem gives you a glimpse that 9th में जब हम आ गए ना, it's a jump बेटा। मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोलता था, और ऐसा आपको एक झटका कब लगेगा पता है? 11 में। 11 is very tough, very tough. Upfront, I'm not here to scare you. So it just makes you understand that reading NCERT or maybe reading only Lakshmir Singh is not going to help me unless and until I swim in all type of water. What do I mean by that? The more different type of problems you get exposed. And you being quiet in class is actually a concern to me, because in physics class, if you are quiet, it means two things. Either everything you have understood, that means you have started to love physics, then you cannot be quiet. तब आपका मन और सवाल निकालेगा, सर ऐसा ही क्यों, ऐसा क्यों नहीं? Or else you have not understood anything and you are preferring to remain calm. My fear is for the second reason. हमको समझ में नहीं आया, ये आदमी बड़बड़ कर रहा है, 8 बजे अभी वो चला जाएगा, चुपचाप रह लो और 5 मिनट चले जाएंगे। आदिति बिट्टू, आई एम आस्किंग यू, बेटा आपको समझ में आ रहा है? श्योर तो यू आर कंफर्टेबल? और इन प्रॉब्लम्स को ज्यादा दिन मत रखिए। आज आप जब घर जाएंगे ना, आज का रात छोड़ दो, कल तक इसको एटलीस्ट करो। एंड सी, I've got some more problems. There is one more problem. नहीं ले आऊंगा, एक और प्रॉब्लम है, एक और, हाँ 2 और प्रॉब्लम्स है, इन्हें आप ट्राई कीजिएगा, ये आ जाएंगे आपको स्लाइड में। Then only you will understand how to do physics. In fact, I had written for another book called H.C. Verma. मैंने एक और बुक दिया था, अगर किसी को इच्छा है पढ़ने की, और वहां से भी आप कर सकते हैं। Unless and until you, or else at your grade, you should be hungry. Sir, what does the ICSC grade 9 physics book have? Let us also have a look. Do you have? Yes, I have. Is it same like us? Maybe, may not be. समझ रहे हैं? और आगे आपको तो आपका टाइम, not that I am teaching best. Go to YouTube. There may be so many animated video. Children, what is distance? कितना कुछ बताता है. The more you learn, the more your concept gets cleared. We still have to welcome velocity and acceleration. We will be, ये बाय बाय हो जाएगा, अभी स्पीड और नहीं रहेगा, स्पीड यहीं पे 2-3 प्रॉब्लम करके बाय। What will remain with us? Displacement, velocity, acceleration and time. अभी 2 आना बाकी है, फिर उनके ग्राफ्स आएंगे। पहला चैप्टर 2 महीना लग जाता है खत्म करते करते, देखने में छोटा है, पर अगर इसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर, ग्रेड 11 में फर्स्ट, आई टेल यू, if you last year they did a lot of if you learn this chapter properly, you will be able to do many grade 11 first chapter problems. Kinematics first chapter के तरातर आप करते रहेंगे। Children struggle there because here they don't study. जो 6-7 में फ्रेंच पढ़ता है ना, उसको आगे जाके फ्रेंच इजी लगेगा, नहीं तो वो मेरी तरह करेगा। 2 ही वर्ड्स आते हैं मुझे, बोट मतलब बातू और प्लेन मतलब avion, बस इतना ही फ्रेंच आता। और IKEA में जाके बोलेगा क्रॉइसेंट दीजिए, क्रॉइसेंट, कैन आई हैव द क्रॉइसेंट? क्रॉइसेंट खाइए 500। अंडरस्टूड? सो व्हेन यू एवर फील इन योर लाइफ दैट आई हैव गॉट लॉट ऑफ टाइम, तो वीडियो गेम देख लो, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग यू आर नॉट डूइंग, देन ओनली यू फील यू हैव लॉट। जब भी आपको ज्यादा टाइम मिलता है ना, आप ये सोच लो, देयर इज समथिंग दैट आई हैव मिस्ड। स्टडी, दिस इज योर करियर बिल्डिंग टाइम। इफ यू इन्वेस्ट द नेक्स्ट 4 years, the next few years, as I told you, you know what is sadness in life? 2 more minutes. Sadness in life is when you go to a shop and you like a watch, but you can't buy it. हैसियत नहीं है. That is sadness. That doesn't mean that our friend Samarth looks at one Air India flight, पापा मेरे को ये भी चाहिए, वो नहीं खरीदना, वो नहीं खरीद सकते। खरीदेंगे भी तो पार्क कहाँ करेंगे? घर के पीछे थोड़ी रखेंगे बोइंग। एक अच्छा मोबाइल आया, भी खरीदते रहना, वो क्या वीवो वाला फोन, 5000 वाला एक फोन, मेरी औकात नहीं है सर। सो प्लीज स्ट्रगल हार्ड। एंड ऑल यू गर्ल्स, अगर आपको अच्छे कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड नायका चाहिए तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा माइका कीजिए, नहीं तो नायका डायका हो जाएगा। चलो भाई, रंगारंग कार्यक्रम समाप्त हुआ आज।